Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at an introduction to logs. So a log is also known as a logarithm, which describes the relationship between how many times we need to multiply or divide a particular number by itself to get another number that we're after. So like this. So as you can see, we write a logarithm as this. So we have log, which stands for logarithm, 2. So the log of 2, base 2, and 8 is equal to 3. So that means that we need to multiply 2 by itself 3 times to get the answer of 8. Because of this relationship, we can use logs to solve exponential functions. And an exponential function looks like this. Y equals 2 to the power x is an example of exponential function. And when you graph an exponential function, it increases this way. You may have seen functions like this before. Now we can do that because this looks at an answer with a base multiplied by a number of times multiplying itself, which directly relates between that, and that's that relationship that we're going to look at today. So in our example above, we could write log to the base 2 8 equals 3 as an exponential function, or sometimes we refer to this as index form. So this would become 8 equals 2 to the power of 3. And that is exactly the same meaning there, a number equal to a number multiplied by itself a certain amount of times. Alright, the most common base that we use is 10. And when you look at your calculator, you'll see that you just have the word log, and that log function can only be used for a base of 10. And through this section we're going to learn how we can convert our bases so that we can use a log function on our calculator for numbers that aren't as easy to solve as 8. Alright, so for example that would be log 10 to 10,000. That's a log to a base of 10. But because 10 is our most common one, we can also write log 1000, and that has the same meaning. So wherever you don't see a base on a logarithm, that means that it is to the base of 10. So the first rule we're going to learn about for logarithms is we're going to learn how to convert between our logarithmic form and to our index form, or our exponential. So the general rule is that we have the log to the base a is equal to by y is equal to x. And then that is also the same as representing y equal to a to the power of x, where a is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Alright, let's have a look at that in practice. Okay, so we're going to write log to the base 10 of 100 is equal to 2 as an index form or exponential form. So here we have our base, or a, we have our solution, or y, and we have our number of times, or our index, or x. So we can rewrite this as 100 is equal to 10, our base, to the power of 2, which we know 10 squared is equal to 100, so that's correct. Alright, for our second example, we're going to have a look at evaluating a log. So we're going to evaluate the log to the base 2 of 4, and the way that we can do that is our first step is to convert it to index form. So we're going to have it equal to 4 because that's our solution. Our base will be 2 and our unknown is our power. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to write the multiples of 4. That include 2. So in this case, 4 equals 2 to the power of x. 4 can be written as 2 times 2, 2 to the power of x. Now we have 2 of our same bases here as the base that we're trying to work towards multiplied together twice. So we can look at that, and therefore we know x is equal to 2 because we have 2 2's times together and 2 is our base. So x is equal to 2, so there we can check 4 is equal to 2 squared. which 2 squared is 4, therefore we are correct. Okay guys, that's your introduction to logarithms. Have a great day.